Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure to have you here as usual. And of course, we're always here to talk about how we can take advantage of what we have in the market. Of course, everybody's looking for that extra source of income. If not, you wouldn't be here watching this video. For a very long time, we've been doing videos on the Bitcoin, what's happening with the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, of course, as we can all see, for a long time now has been more or less flying to the moon, as a lot of traders would say. But if you look at what we have here, uh, of course, we had a very important pattern, right? And this pattern is known as the rising wedge. As we had this rising wedge pattern, of course, the rising wedge pattern simply means that on the third tap, right? On the third tap, we have one, two, and three. On the third tap, the price should react to the rising wedge, and of course price did, and then it came back to this other trend line. You can see it's another third tap here, and now it looks like it's breaking out. This is the daily time frame, by the way. So from what we can see here now, we can easily see that this roller coaster, of course, is back, because we've been all saying, hey, buy the dip, buy the dip. That's what a lot of traders have been talking about for now. They've been saying, hey, Bitcoin is going to 100K, Bitcoin is doing this, Bitcoin is doing that. But I've been of the opinion that we've had a lot of areas that needs to be tested as what that needs to be tested as support. So we still need to see what price has to do. Now, from what we have over here on this rising wedge, you can see that now seems to be breaking out. So I'd like to see a breakout, a curve, a pullback probably to this area of the trend line, and then drop some more. If this should happen, right, where we have this kind of movement, you'll notice that from here to probably this area, right, to where it also retraced to, probably be about 50, half of this. If you're using the Fibonacci retracement tool as well as a form of confluence, then of course you'll notice that this is a good area on the return to the trend line. That is will be a good area to short it, to sell. And of course, what would we be looking for? A profit. We'll be looking for the lows of this rising wedge. So we'll be looking for the price getting here, which should probably be around the 44, 43 marker, right? So we'll be looking for something around the 43K area. Now, let's see whether we can get there this week. I don't know. Let's see whether we can get there this week, or maybe we can get there before the end of this month, April. Today is the 20th of April. Let's see what price has to offer. But this is a very, very powerful pattern here, the rising wedge, which shows that price seems to be lying. And another thing you could also add to this mix as well is divergence. If you are using, like as an example, you're using the RSI, right? You're using the RSI, or maybe you're using the MACD, right? The RSI or the MACD would also give you the divergence pattern here, and would have helped you to have placed an entry here, right? So there are different ways to trade this rising wedge, and of course for the Bitcoin, you can see it seems to be playing out. This pattern plays out for whatever instrument that is. The pattern is obviously telling you that price is lying, and then price wants to do something. So now currently we are at 54K marker area. Now let's see whether we will get our 43, 44 area. That is this lows of the rising wedge, right? So if this video was helpful, right, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well. Of course, it helps the algorithm, and of course you might obviously need to watch this video over and over again to see if it's going to play out accordingly. And then also we will do an update. Yes, we will do an update based on what will happen after, probably at the end of the week or maybe next week. We'll do an update, as this is the daily time frame. It will take a little while for things to materialize, right? So of course, we are looking forward to selling this Bitcoin. I'm not sure what you are planning on doing, but everybody just believes, hey, buy the dip, buy the dip. Any dip, just buy it. But no, it doesn't work that way. You must have proper information. You must have proper areas of interest where you want to enter the market. So this is my own analysis, right? If you have any questions, feel free to ask as well. And of course, you can also watch the mini courses that will help you to understand how to come about all the patterns, how to read the financial market like a book. Whether you are trading the forex, you are trading cryptocurrencies or commodities, equities, it doesn't matter. To help you to read it just like a book. Okay, great. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. And of course, from me to you, catch you soon. Okay, goodbye.